So there's this misconception that beginners often have, that you must buy those expensive, fancy and perfect tools before you can kickstart your content creation journey. Wow. Or maybe you're this kind of person that you often feel discouraged when you creating a video and you don't get the desired quality that you want. In your mind, you will not say, I have to wait till I buy those expensive and perfect tools. No way, you cannot be discouraged in this 2024. In reality, I am here to tell you that you just need only 4 essential tools. And if you cannot afford number 2 and number 3 that I'll be mentioning in this video, then you can start with just number 1 and number 4. But one thing you need is your phone with a good camera quality. Then you are good to go. You don't need to buy all those expensive camera. You cannot afford the iPhone, if you cannot afford those expensive phones, there are some phones affordable that you can get to start your content creation journey. Number 2 is you need a tripod for stabilization, so that when you're making a video, you'll not have this shaky aspect of it, right? If you can't afford a tripod, you can as well get something to hold your phone. You're making your videos, just like this one right there. I will just have to set something like this, then I have my phone here and I will just be talking. I used to have a tripod, but it got broken and it was faulty. But then this was one of the patterns that helped me to be able to create content. Then number 3, a microphone like this one, a wireless microphone, so that you can stay as far as how many meters in making your videos and the sound will still be effective and the audio will still be nice. But before I got this one, right, I was using this one. This was not a wireless microphone. I was using this one. Yes, I got it earlier before I got this one. So if you cannot afford any of these microphones, you can use AI tools to enhance your audio. This one showing on the screen to enhance your audio after making your video, and it will come out perfect. Number 4, you need a source of light. Now I actually use the artificial light. Just like you can see, I have a ring light here with me, but filming in the day, I only use it as a tripod to enable stabilization when I'm filming during the day. Also use a natural source of light coming from your window, right, to make and create content. This is a natural source of light coming from the window. So before I got my ring light, this was another pattern or method I was using in creating my videos, because at some point I was feeling discouraged that I needed those expensive equipment. But hello, I said to myself, girl, you just have to keep doing it, and before one day money go enter and you go buy those things you need. So you can actually use this pattern, and before you know, you are doing something. Before you know, you're having a community. Before you know, you're having an audience that will listen to you. Nobody will know how you're creating your content. So you can see that you don't really need those expensive things. You need just the right mindset. Stop worrying about gadgets and just start. All you need right now is just determination for you to start. Then after creating your videos, you can actually enhance your videos with the CapCut app, which I'll be showing you how to use the adjust and retouch button in the CapCut app on how to enhance and improve your video quality. All you have to do right now is just hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my next video when I'll be posting, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified, right? You don't want to miss out on this amazing content. What are you waiting for right now? Just start your content creation journey. Stop procrastinating, stop postponing. Yes, you can start somewhere today and thank me later. See you in my next video when I post. Bye bye.